What's up, guys? This is Steve from Outside of Garage. In the new shop, we've been putting in some serious hours in here, and we are making a lot of progress. Got most of the lights off because it's kind of about to getting ready to go home tonight. Call it for the night. But yeah, let me swing the camera around and show you guys what we've been working on. So over in the shop area here, we brought in a couple freight shipments today using the forklift, which is awesome. We've got our racking up here for inventory. Going to pick up a couple more racks tomorrow. And we've got kind of like our ad hoc fulfillment station over here. And this whole area right here is going to become a huge workbench where we're going to split up fulfillment and packaging. Oh, that's a little bit better. We're going to have a peninsula coming off of here, and we're going to frame up a half wall over here, which is going to have another, like an L-shaped desk come out, and then we're going to have all of our hardware and stuff built up over in this corner. Laser etcher will be here. You can see we got this, vented into the exterior so we can do a lot of etching in here while we get our stuff together. And yeah, this station is going to be fulfillment. Obviously this is just a big mess right now, but it's coming along. All these tables are preliminary, the good stuff. And yeah, so these will be coming out, and we'll have a proper packing fulfillment area here, probably by the end of the weekend. This spot over here, again, so we'll have the half wall here on the other side. We're going to have another L-shaped desk over here. And we'll run our table for scanning here, for scanning, 3D scanning rather. And we'll probably have our 3D printers set up against this wall so we can vent them also to the outside if necessary. And then moving over here, this is still going to be the like the tool station. And obviously this is like also our construction station at the moment. And we'll swing over here, and this is where the most of the progress has been. This is the office. So down here, I'm going to get a like a PT 2x12s and put these around the bottom to act as like a nice kick plate in the garage area. We got our doors up, we got our sheetrock up, and we also, don't mind the old Comanche body here, we also have our picture window up. And I'm in the process of shimming and trimming right now. So let's go over into the office and we'll check out what the office looks like. So the office is basically ready for paint. We have one more light sand to do in the morning from some little touch-ups. And there's our picture window. I think it's about 70 inches across by about 50 inches high. It's a massive window and it's awesome. Two doors, one to the shop area and one to the garage. So yeah, we're gonna do like kind of a custom cool black drop ceiling with kind of probably like 2 or 3 main beams going across the top here, and then like sections in between each that are kind of up a little bit higher than the beams, and we'll do like recessed lighting up there. Picked up this Pergo Timbercraft flooring. This stuff is really cool. It's got a lot of neat textures and colors to it and variations and things. So I think that's going to look really nice on the floor. And it's also kind of got like the brown has a bit of red in it, which I think will draw into the red in the Outside of Garage logo a little bit. For right now, I'm thinking kind of like a lightish, warm gray. And then this wall right here will most likely be black, as well as this wall. And then this will be the warm gray again. The desk will be over here. Probably have a couch or something over there. Probably do a display case or something small over here. And then we'll put the cool Outside of Garage logo in that aluminum sign that I had made up on this wall here. So I can come over here and sit down at the office and have a window here, see who's coming up, door, see into the shop, And then probably do like a little kitchen station or something over here around the corner. So yeah, guys, it's coming along. Hoping by the end of the weekend here, after a few more long nights, we'll have everything all sorted up. We're gonna make a big push to get to paint tomorrow, get the ceiling and the floor in by the weekend. I did order a desk over here, which came in on a pallet today from Uline. Freaking expensive desk, but I mean, it's heavy duty metal desk. The industrial collection. So this whole thing is a big desk, L shape. It's got like a nice size, I think a 72-inch return on it or something. It'd be pretty neat. Got this big ass carpet here to put in front of the door. It's like 3 foot by 5 foot or so. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Slowly but surely, we make progress. But in the meantime, we're still getting orders out. We're still getting stuff done. And it's business as usual. The only thing that's kind of makes a struggle right now is the fact that the computer is not set up in the office yet. So we don't have CAD and we don't have admin yet. And we're still missing little bits here and there with the 3D printers. So there's a little back and forth to get everything going and stuff. But hopefully by the end of the weekend, we'll be all set. So anyhow, I'll do another update after we make a little more progress, and hopefully there'll be paint up in the office and maybe even a sign hanging up. It'd be pretty cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.